Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings. Today we're going to be doing a mystery box unboxing and I'm so excited. This is coming from the company called the Mystery Gift Shop. Now if you guys are interested in purchasing your very own mystery box, I will be posting a link down below, of course, for you guys to check them out. I did a previous unboxing of one of their mystery boxes a year ago, and I honestly cannot believe it's already been a year, you guys. But I had so much fun with that unboxing. It was just great to open up a true mystery box because you have no idea what's going to be inside, and it can be anything and everything. So it could be tech items, it could be beauty items, it could be clothing, it could be accessories. It's honestly, anything is up for grabs. You just have no idea what's going to be inside of this box. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about it, but we're going to do our full unboxing today. We're going to see what's inside of my mystery box. So this is what the mystery box will look like. It is just a cardboard box that is shipped to you. I would imagine the sizes would change depending on the products that you have inside of your box, but this is about the same size that I had last year. It's just a cube. And as you can tell, I have not broken the seal yet. I have not opened this box, you guys. So I have no idea what's in here. Even the bottom, I've not opened any of this. See what I mean? Brand new box. If you decide to purchase one of these mystery boxes, just know it's a mystery. So you may receive some of the same items that I have here today, and then again, you may receive totally different items as well. I have read lots of reviews. I've watched other unboxings on YouTube as well of this box, and it seems like everyone gets different things. I've yet to really see repeats, but they do guarantee that you will not receive repeat items in that box. So for example, they're not gonna send me 52 keychains. They're only going to send one keychain if there is one. So they will not do duplicates. Additionally, what I like is all of the products are guaranteed to be brand new items. They do not do Amazon returns or old products or anything like that with their mystery boxes. So they guarantee they are all brand new. Now the box that we are opening up today is called the Everything Box. Now I did pull up their website on my tablet here just so that I get all of the information correct. This Everything Box is going to have a little bit of everything in it. It is a true mystery box. They have several different boxes available on the website. So if you want a beauty only box, they have that option. They also have an electronic only box as well. They have a designer watch mystery box, and they also have a useful and useless joke mystery box. I mean, there's all sorts of different boxes on the website, but the one we are opening up is the Everything mystery box. It retails for $110. There is a shipping fee that you will pay on top of that as well, but we are supposed to receive $210 minimum worth of products inside of this box, up to $450 worth of products. So in theory, that is a pretty good return on my investment. $110 to at least get double back in terms of value. That's a pretty good deal. All right, let's do this. I am cutting the tape. There is no turning back now, you guys. We're gonna see what's in here. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. Ooh, I see Mario Brothers. My husband is gonna freak out, you guys. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I am seeing all sorts of different products. This is why I love this box though, because it's not all the same thing and you get all these different items in here. Okay, we're gonna start with this one right on top. This is a protection case for the Nintendo Switch, and it is the Super Mario Brothers design that's on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bag off. Oh my gosh, my husband is going to flip out, you guys. He has a Switch. He loves Mario. This is seriously gonna be perfect. So this is a genuine case. It's actually coming from the Nintendo company that they've made this, and it is a protective case where it's a little bit harder on the outside here. There is a zipper to close this, and then you do get the handle. But like I said, it's brand new, so I love that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so that way we can look at the case here. So we'll take this off and that way we can see what it looks like. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. You get the star and then Mario, of course. Oh, and the charm. I just now saw this on the zipper. Look at it, it's Mario himself. Oh my gosh, how cute. So like I said, this is a little bit harder. It's not a fabric. I mean, it is, but it's not like a soft plushy fabric. This has actually got structure to it. You can really press down on it and it's gonna protect that switch inside then. I do like that it's even got little feet back here. So if you wanted to lay it down on the table, it'll be up and lifted a little bit. And then inside, well, hot dang, man, this has really got a lot of compartments. So you get a full zippered compartment up here at the top and it's all mesh. And then you're also going to have a little pocket here. This is where you can actually take, it's cards that go into the Nintendo Switch and you can actually slide them into each of these pockets. So you've got room for all of your games. I would imagine it's double-sided. Oh, it's not actually. This is just a fabric on the other side. So you've got this to store your games. And then down below, this is where you're going to actually put that console at, is in there. But like I said, this is all padded here. So it's really soft. That way it will protect the screen as well. So this is really nice. And we will use it. So this is a win already. Totally unexpected. Next up, I have from Belkin. This is a car charger. This is a lightning connector and it is designed for Apple devices. So again, this is a brand new box that we have here. And it does state that it will charge your phone up in 30 minutes, which is really fast. So apparently it says it's lightning fast and apparently it really is. Oh, this is nice too. See how nice and thickly braided that is? That's a really nice cable. So I do like this a lot. I will 100% use this. Next up, we have the Seal It. This is a silicone insulating strip. And it says, as seen on TV. I've not seen this, but maybe you guys have seen this already. So it says to stay warm in winter and cool in summer. You get 2 rolls inside of this box. And it's a silicone piece that you can actually cut, and I think there's an adhesive on it, it looks like. And you can adhere it to your door or your windows. Oh, that's a shower door to keep water out. Oh, interesting. See what I mean by mystery box though? You don't know what you're gonna get inside of this box, and it's a little bit of everything. And here we have a silicone strip to keep your air inside of your homes. So you get a little bit of everything in the everything box. So here's what the rolls will look like inside. And it is an adhesive. I can see the 3M logo on here. So you can actually peel this off and then attach it to wherever. And you get a 1-inch band here of that silicone spot. So that way it will help to seal everything in. Okay. Didn't know I needed this, but now I'm actually curious because I do have a drafty door that leads to my garage. And I'm like, maybe this will work on there. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna see what happens with it. But this is our next item. Honestly, I feel like the everything box is the best one to get, you guys. Only because you don't know what you're gonna receive. If you go with something specific like the beauty box, you know you're getting beauty. But to me, the everything box is like, who knows what you can get? So next item again, who knew? This is a pocket hose. We received a hose. Oh my gosh. The silver bullet. It says it's lead-free, lightweight, no kink, and stores easily. Oh my gosh. Is this one of those expanding ones? I wonder if this gets bigger. I've seen these before and they'll like expand. They kind of look like snakes almost. So it's a 50-foot hose. And then it looks like it comes with bonus nozzles on here as well. So that way you can control the spray. I mean, seriously, you could do like some pressure washing. If you have enough pressure, you could actually change out those nozzles then. #1 bestseller, lightweight, expanding hose. Yeah! This must be the one I've seen on TV. So they put the water in, and I'm not kidding, it looks small, and then it actually like grows and moves because it expands. It looks like a snake when it's doing its thing. It's kind of crazy, but we have a hose inside of the box. Also brand new, once again, everything in here has been sealed. I'm not gonna open this up today because I think you guys know what a black hose looks like, but I do appreciate every item so far. I've had to open the seal. Oh, hey, we did get a little bit of makeup in here. So this is from Smashbox, and it looks like they did a collab with the Suicide Squad, which was a DC comic, and then I think they've turned them into a couple of movies now. But this was a collab that they apparently did. So I don't know what this is, but, oh, it's a cream shadow. Okay. So this is what our full-size cream eyeshadow will look like. It is a bright yellow color. I mean, it is a little bit more golden, but that is the shade of this eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is their full-size product. It's called Peacemaker, and it's 0.34 ounces or 10 mil. And it says that it's just a cream eyeshadow product. Next item in here is a thermos. Ooh, this is an Under Armour thermos. So, or maybe this isn't a thermos. I just call these thermoses, but maybe this is more of just a water bottle. But you know what I mean. It's a stainless steel bottle that will keep your liquids cool inside. So this one is an 18-ounce vacuum insulated stainless steel bottle. It says that it's sweat proof. It is a non-slip silicone base, so it does have silicone down here at the bottom for it. It's also a self-draining cap during wash, so it's leak-proof, lockable, and it has a push-button lid on it. Oh, okay. I do like the color a lot. I mean, honestly, it kind of goes with my eyeshadow. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of like we planned this, but we totally didn't. But this is my very large water bottle. So up here it says that there is a push-button lock. Oh wait, do you have to flip this down? Maybe that's what the trick is here. Let's flip it down, and then yes, then you can push it open, and then you've got that cap to seal it in place. And inside, like I said, it's all stainless steel. Definitely brand new as well. It's got all of the packaging and warranty info all included here. But we are not done yet with this box, you guys. I still have 2 items in here. So the next item that I have is a diffuser, and this is from Elia? I don't know this brand, so I might be mispronouncing that, but it says it's from Home Medics. This is a portable diffuser that you can take for relaxation, meditation, or sleep, and you can diffuse different essential oils inside of this. Does it come with that? I'm not sure yet. It says that it will run for 6 hours continuously. It has a color changing light. There's also a power cable, that way you can plug it in and charge it up. And then it's an ultrasonic aroma diffuser that will give you a fine mist. Okay, so I'm gonna need to check inside of the box here, but this is what it looks like here on the outside. It is a brand new sealed box that we have. And maybe it comes with the oils, but then again, maybe it's just the diffuser as well. So there's an essential oil guide and instructions right on top. So I'll look at that in a bit. But then, yeah, look. So that's how I know this is brand new, because if these were returned items, you know as well as I do, somebody would have bought this, they would have opened all of this up, and then they would have returned it without this on there. So I really like that you know when you order from these guys that you're getting all brand new items in your mystery box. It's a very soft pastel color is what I would label this as. So this is what it looks like here, and it looks like your diffuser will be at the top. And then inside will be all of the pieces that you're gonna need to add your water and your oils as well. You've got all of the different compartments set up in here. So this does seem nice. I like that it, like I said, it's brand new. I will definitely use this. I think it's cool that it's color changing as well. So this will actually change colors once it's powered on. Obviously, I'm gonna need to charge this first, but then once you can power it on, you should be able to get several different colors as well. But I think this is nice. Oh my goodness. Our last item today, you guys, which I'll be honest, I saw this right on top of the box, but I deliberately waited to open it to the end because I was like, I don't want to compare everything to this product and be like, oh, well, this isn't as good as this. So I decided to wait and open this at the very end because so far, I mean, it's so much fun. It is totally random. I mean, where else do you get a garden hose and everything else? It's a random box, but I have enjoyed all of the products. So my last item inside of this box today is from Michael Kors. And I'm guessing this is a jewelry item, maybe a watch, just looking at this. There's nothing even as far as tags on here. Like, there's nothing that actually says what it is. But Michael Kors, good brand name, so I will take it. So let's see. Oh, it's a watch. Ah! And it works. Oh, thank goodness it works. So this is our watch inside. Oh my gosh, and this is beautiful. So this is definitely a woman's watch, and it is brand new. There's actually plastic all the way around it too. And there's a tag. Oh my goodness. Okay, Here's what the watch itself looks like. That's the face. You can see that it is working. It's not the right time for me, but that's okay. And then, like I said, they've got all the plastic around here as well. So I like that this is brand new. Even back here on the plate where it says Michael Kors, it's got the little plastic over top of it. So love that. But then there is a brand new tag down below. Oh my gosh, Japan Movement is what it says. And then it says $295. Okay, I didn't know it was going to be that much. I knew the watches were more expensive, but I didn't know it was that much money. So here's what it says on the tag. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, do you see this? And it's attached, you see? Like, I didn't add this on or anything, you guys. This is legit the tag that came with it. Oh my goodness. And that's not it. So also in the bottom of the box, we've got a couple other warranty products. So these are the cards that go as the warranty for your watch as well. So all of that is included with this. I can't believe this is in here, you guys. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, like, look at that. Holy bananas. This already paid for the entire box. I mean, honestly, you guys, the $110, this could have been the only item in there and it would have paid for it already. But no, we have all of these other items too. So what a deal. And they did have on the website that you could get a mystery box that was only watches. So if you wanted to guarantee yourself a designer watch, you could buy that one and then you know for sure you would get it. It won't be a guarantee that you're going to get a watch inside of this everything box. And I just want to clarify that in case you're watching this and thinking, oh, I want to go get this because of this product. This is totally random. You don't know what they're going to pick. It's always a different person that's picking the orders as well. So it's anything and everything that could go in here. You may get this, and oh my gosh, I hope you do. I will be rooting for you guys. This is awesome. But just keep that in mind that the everything box is a little bit of everything that they have. Holy bananas! Did not see that coming at all. So that is everything inside of my mystery box today from the mystery gift shop. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this mystery box. We received a total of 8 items inside of this box today. Obviously made back my money and then some on it. I mean, seriously, you guys, this was done really well. This does have less items in it compared to the box that I did a year ago, because I want to say that one last year had like 12 or 13 items in it. I may be off, but I'm pretty sure there were more than this one. But that's okay, because we're looking for the total value. So I'm not upset that there's less items, because obviously there's a higher retail value on these products inside of this box. So I think that's totally fine. I think, again, it's just a testament to the fact that it is a mystery box. You may get more items, you may get less items, but they're still going to be within that value range. So that's really exciting. I do love that it's a true mystery box. Like, it's the only mystery box out there that I have tried where you're getting a little bit of all of these products and it's not only beauty. So I like that this really does give you good variety. But even if you guys don't love all of the products, or maybe you look at this box and you're like, I will not use every single one of those items in here, that's okay. Because like I mentioned last year when I made the video, I definitely think you could resell all of these products. It may be a case that you're like, hey, I'm in an apartment, I have no use for a garden hose, what am I gonna do with that? You could sell that on Facebook easily. I think anybody will buy a garden hose from you. I feel like the car charger is pretty universal, but again, even if you don't need a car charger, you could definitely sell that as well. I feel like the water bottle, everybody can use, but all of those things you could resell even if it's not practical for you. So I definitely think that's an option with this box. So again, if you guys are interested in buying your own mystery box, you can take a gamble, throw the dice, see what happens. I will be posting that link down below. Like I said, they also have other mystery boxes on there as well, so if you want to try some other ones out, you definitely can. But until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!